Numbers don't lie, okay? This is a setup that one of my private students has set up on a paper trading account on Tradingview, okay? So we're doing this on Tradingview and putting this on the live accounts, okay? She has 2 live accounts, and as you can see already, this is up. So the same trade is replicated on her live accounts, and that's why we are showing you this, the paper trade, for obvious reasons, okay? I don't want to show her live accounts at the moment, but I'm sure at some point we're going to show you the live accounts as they are growing, okay? So the setup is very simple here. We have the British US dollar, but you can see here it says GBP JPY, okay? So we had the same setup for the GBP JPY, so we can just go GBP, we just type here GBP JPY, and we are going to just go GBP JPY, and you can see that one right there. And that's this is the setup. This is the trade right here that's going on. You can see it is, we shorted GBP JPY, okay? It is going down. As you can see, we are $500 up right now. And similarly, she's taken the similar trade in 2 of her live accounts, okay? Big account and a small account. And they're all up by these same margins. So let me just show you exactly what we have here. So you can see here, there are 2 indicators that we're looking at, and these are just free indicators, okay, on Tradingview. So if you don't have Tradingview, go ahead and open an account. It's free. I'm putting the link in the description, guys. For those of you who are watching on YouTube, just go down, okay? You'll see a link that says go and open your Tradingview account. We use Tradingview to do our charting. This is where we do our analysis. They're a wonderful platform for trading Forex, stocks, crypto, because we train all these. So we use this on a daily basis to train our students. This is where we practice. You get a free paper trading account, and this is where you can put your trades. And while you do that, this can be replicated on your live account. So once you master the techniques, you can start trading your real money. Okay, guys? So before I proceed, let me say a word of prayer, and then I'll put a disclaimer. I'm a believer, so let's say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, we pray that all the students, all the people that are going to watch this video, that they will be successful in trading. We pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Thank you, guys. It doesn't matter what you believe in. My master teacher tells me, whatever you believe in, learn everything about what you believe, okay? Just make sure you are knowledgeable in what you believe. You know the truth. You know the ins and the outs of whatever you believe in. Learn, okay? Learn everything, okay? Not learn half of it or doubtful about this. No, learn everything, okay? Master everything. Master the strategies. Master the techniques, whatever you believe in. Then practice, okay? So we do this every day. Some of us have been online since 1999, 1998. And in our Smart Wolf Club community, okay, for those of you who are new on our channel, please subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel. It's a new channel. We just started. We're about 1,000 subscribers. We want to grow it to at least 5,000 so more people can benefit from this free knowledge. We've been training a lot of private students for many, many years. A lot of gurus have gone through our training. But recently we started sharing some of these trainings for free on YouTube, and that's why you guys are benefiting for free. You're getting this training. Our student, my private student right now who's doing this, her name is Martha. She's in Sydney, Australia. We are doing this virtually, okay? And most of us travel and trade because the idea is you want to have that location freedom. With the power of the internet, you can work from anywhere. Sometimes I take these trades while I'm at an airport lounge, waiting to get onto my next flight to my next destination. I do these on many, many places where I stay, in the hotels, as long as there's internet connection. Do this in Airbnbs, wherever I stay, different countries. We've been to so many countries of the world. Recently, we were in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. One of our coaches is down there. His name is Rodriguez. We had a big group there. We were training them how to trade Forex, crypto, stocks, and also what we call the bread and butter, digital marketing, okay? And very, very recently, we were in Bombay, India. Mr. Singh, who's been with us for over 15 years, one of our coaches, very, very successful. And we were training over 200 people also how to trade options and also how to do what we call content creation. So in the Smart Wolf Club community, we teach our members to have at least 6 sources of income. We teach you more skills than anybody else out there. So if you have not joined the Smart Wolf Club community, go ahead and join. The link is in the description, and you have an opportunity of having a one-on-one with one of our coaches, okay? It does cost money, okay, because our time is extremely valuable. So the one-on-one, of course, will cost you some money, but if you want to learn, then you have to be ready to learn, okay? And we only take very serious individuals because we are only this few, and then there's so many people who want to be trained. So therefore, we only take people who are serious, committed, and who are ready to be coachable and learn and follow our instructions, okay? So let me put a disclaimer before I proceed. Whatever we are training you is not financial advice. We are not giving you any financial advice. None of us is actually a professional financial advisor. We are not investment advisors, professional financial advisors. We are not any legal advisors. We are not any investment advisors. So whatever we are sharing with you is our experiences and for entertainment, and also do your due diligence, okay? Just know that any investment, doesn't matter whether it's online, offline, is risky, okay? There's a potential to lose part of your investment or all of it, okay? We've come in here and blown accounts, okay? That happens all the time, okay? Because when you're going into the markets, we can't control the market. Like you can see here, this big candle right here. Did you see this? A lot of accounts were blown up here, right here. You see that candle? If you don't know what a candle is, you can check some of our previous trainings or sign up to our community and you're going to learn the basics. This candle here, you can see this crazy bearish candle here, multiple bearish. Could have been some adverse news here, okay? This is a 1 hour time frame chart. You can see that. It shot down here and pushed up all here, blew up people's accounts, took out all the money out of the market, and now it starts going up slowly. So these things happen. We cannot control this. We cannot predict this. This could have been a news event, could be something catastrophic that happened, and it's most likely some news event that this is the British pound against the Japanese yen. So if you go and look at the fundamental analysis, you'll see there was some announcement, probably a government action that instigated this. And a moment like this, most rookies, most newbies lose their accounts, okay? If you're in any trade at this time, there's a possibility that you lost your account. And for those of who are on the right side, there's a possibility that millionaires were made, okay? So that's what happens when somebody is losing, somebody else is gaining. That's how the market is. It's just a balance. Strikes a balance. You lose on this side, somebody is gaining on the other side. You gain on this side, somebody else is losing on the other side. That's how it is. It maintains an equilibrium. So that's exactly what happens. So when you go into the markets and lose, just know that you've helped a brother or a sister somewhere to gain. So your loss is somebody's gain. And when you gain, just know that there's a brother, sister somewhere who is crying, who is suffering, who has lost. All you want to do is make sure you're on the side that gains most of the time. To be a successful trader, you don't need to win all the time. You only need to win enough times so that you are profitable. And you can only do that if you exercise what we call proper risk management. So guys, right now I'm going to show you the 2 indicators that my student is using. My student's name is Mizar. She's camera shy, so she's not showing her face. And she's been working with me for the last 2 months. She learned how to trade stocks, options, and now she's learning how to do Forex. And she's very busy, a mom, so she does not want to be glued on her computer whole day. So we are teaching her, I'm teaching her how to trade Forex using what we call swing trading. She doesn't want to come in here and spend the whole day in front of her computer. She just wants to take the trade, go on her business, and come back the next day or 2 days later and collect her chiching, her paycheck. And that's what's happening right now. We set this trade earlier on, and you can see it's already at $1,000.15. We can actually close this trade and call it a day and wait for the next day to set up another trade. $1,000 a day. This is over $1,000. So if you're making over $1,000 a day just from this one account, okay, she has two accounts. This is a paper trading account, guys. Don't get me wrong. She has a very small account, which is already, this one is positive. The other one is positive because we replicate these trades using automation, artificial intelligence. When we take the trade here on TradingView, it replicates on her two accounts, okay? So she has a smaller account, like you can call it a test account. This is when she just joined and she was not sure whether she wants to do this or not until she started realizing some profits. Her account grew by 10% within 4 days. Then she put more money in a bigger account, a different broker. So we've put some of the brokers in the description. If you don't have a Forex broker, go ahead and sign up with one of the brokers or two of the brokers there. It's free to sign up for the demo account. You don't need any money to open the accounts. Okay. Once you've funded your accounts, you can learn these strategies. Practice. Join our community, subscribe to our Smart Wolf Club channel, and learn of the steps because we share these trainings every day. Every day we have a training coming on. If it's not every day, the next day you'll see a training showing you exactly what it is. And our trainings are very simple. We keep it keep it simple, stupid. We've been doing this for many years. We've had some trainings that are extremely complicated for some of our students. So many indicators, so much analysis, trends analysis, drawing lines, graphs, all kinds of stuff. At the end of the day, what matters is if you master a certain skill. It could be as simple as this is. Just two free indicators. We're using free indicator. We use free indicators for this, and we use multiple indicators for free. So right now I have the Super Bollinger Trend. So you come here on indicators. So once you have your TradingView account open, you go and look for this pair here, GBP, JPY. Now, if you don't know what these pairs are, some of you are very, very new to Forex trading. You can go and watch these basic trainings on YouTube. Just say what are Forex pairs and you can understand that. There's a free video everywhere showing you what are Forex pairs. So once you master the Forex pairs, then you know GBP, JPY. So we have the base current and the quote current. So the base current is the GBP here. JPY is the quote current. So when JPY and GBP is strong, then we have an upward trend. When JPY is strong, then we have a downward trend. So that's basically what it means. So when you see a downward trend, that means the Japanese yen is stronger than the British pound. When we have an upward trend, that means the base current in this case, which is the which is the British pound, is stronger, GBP, JPY. Now, there are many other pairs, the US dollar pairs. We trade a lot the GBP USD, that is the British pound against the US dollar. If you watched our previous training, that's exactly what we were working on. We made a lot of money out of that using similar account for Miss Martha. And that's how she, her faith in Forex has grown because she was able to almost 10x her account within a very, very short time. Okay? So, guys, let's see. Somebody is saying, why are you not showing us the real accounts? You're showing us the paper trading account. I just said for obvious reasons, okay? This is our training, our students, so we decide what we want to show you guys, okay? So if you have a problem with that, you just click off and go, guys, okay? Because I do see a lot of negative people on here. That's what we say. In our Smart Wolf Club, we do not accept negative people. We're going to kick you out. It doesn't matter, okay? Some of us have been online since 1998. Before some of you were born, we were already doing online stuff. So if there's anything online, we've been there, we've done that, and we have a lot of successful people. Right now, we're looking for about 1,000 people to take them to the $1 million mark, okay? And we are en route to that. Okay, Martha is one of our students. She's already getting to almost 6 figures, okay? She's almost getting to the 6-figure mark, okay? And I can give you Martha's story, you guys. It's touching my heart, okay? Actually, some of our individuals have very, very touching stories. I know a lot of you have touching stories, but let me tell you Martha's story. During the pandemic, okay, we used to do this privately, okay, but during the pandemic, it touched our hearts. We saw how the pandemic ravaged a lot of economies. We travel a lot, okay, many countries. So it really touched some of our hearts in the community. And we decided, you know what? We're going to train our brothers and sisters for free, some of them, how to make money. Because people ask me all the time, how can you make money online? And I tell them it is very, very simple, okay? It is so simple that most people miss the point. Most people think it is so complicated. It is this voodoo stuff. It is this, you have to do this magic thing, or it is this one shiny object. We suffered from that, this shiny object syndrome. Most people suffer from that. You jump from one thing to another. No, you cannot succeed that way. I'm a believer. The master teacher says you have to be able to learn, practice, and teach. So you learn. If you believe in something, make sure you learn everything, okay? So you're not going to learn by jumping from one thing to another, okay? Pick one, stick to it, okay, until you see that through, okay? So you pick trading, for example, trading assets, Forex, stocks. Master these techniques, master the strategy. And you cannot have many strategies. Pick one strategy that you're going to study. Pick one asset or two assets that you're going to work on and practice. Focus, okay? Most people lack focus. In the Smart Wolf Club, we teach what we call the FCC, okay? Which is F standing for focus, C is the courage, and another C is for consistency. So people lack those three things, FCC. If you lack FCC, you're not going to achieve your dreams, okay? Dreams, goals, and execution. For you to dream, a lot of people have dreams. They dream to have a nice house, nice cars, travel, big money, fat accounts. They want to donate to charity. They want to help their families. That's a big dream. They have the goals. Some people actually set wonderful goals at the beginning of the year. Everybody sets really nice goals. I want to be healthy. I want to lose weight. Come a month down the road, they quit on their goals because they lack the execution. They don't have a plan, the execution plan. So we teach you how to do that. This is the mindset piece that we talk about. And that's why I spend time. Even I can show you this strategy in 2 minutes. I can show you what indicator to do, when to take the trade. And it's simple. But if your mindset is not correct, and I've dealt with thousands of students, okay? Some of our coaches are extremely successful. We've worked with a lot of them. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. He's been working with us for over 17 years, 15 years actually. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia, he's one of our coaches. He's been working with us for over 17 years. Omoses from Lagos, Nigeria, over 12 years. Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa, over 13 years. Karinsis, she's from Berlin, Germany, over 12 years. Rosemary from New York, over 12 years. Josephine from Sydney, Australia, over 8 years. Mr. Scott from London, UK, over 15 years. Jorgensen from Denmark, over 9 years, guys. Mary from Vancouver, Canada, she's been working with us for over 12 years. Juan from Singapore, over 13 years working with us. So these individuals are extremely successful in what they do, and they have mastered the art of trading, the art of online marketing, the art of making money online, and the art of coaching students, teaching students to success, okay? We are not promising you riches. It's not a quick get-rich-quick scheme. Now, if you want any of those, you may want to go to the casino and blow your money over there, okay? The odds are all stacked against you. It's not you have to come and learn the strategy. Like I'm telling you, first of all, take the first step, which is go open an account, Tradingview account. All you need is your name, your email address, a good email address, not the fake one, the good one, because you have to verify your account. So they're going to send you a link into your email that allows you to verify your account. Okay, once you have the account open, come to the Forex section, okay? Forex section. Under the Forex section, under the Forex section, okay, you see here, stocks, funds, futures, you go to the Forex section. That's where we are. Pick this pair right here. This is what we are looking at. GBP, JPY. Easy peasy, right? Guys, easy peasy. And then go to where it says indicators, okay? We're going to look for these two indicators. One is the Super Bollinger Trend by Ziamen. It has 4,638 favorites. Click on that. Favorite that. Favorite by using the star. You see that star there? Those are the favorite. You click the star, it will show up here. Okay, you see that? This is the indicator showing you the arrow down, the arrow up, the arrow up, the arrow down. Okay, so when it shows up, what are you going to do? You're going to take a long trade. Now, some of you are asking me, what is a long trade? There are two types of trades that you can take as far as trading Forex stocks is concerned. A long trade is basically going up. It's a buy. In options, they call it a buy. Okay? They call it the call option. Okay, you're calling it that it's going up. Okay, so green means going up. All right, so that's a simple, stupid. Anybody can do that. Okay, you're just gonna say you're taking a long call trade. So you're gonna trade here, and you're gonna say you're doing a buy. So you click the buy, and then you're gonna put the values that you get. So what do we use here to trade? We use this tool right here. You come on this side. You see these look like parallel lines? We're gonna use the long position. You bring that tool, and on the close of the candle, for example, if I want to take a trade, a long trade based on this candle, that's what I do. And the close of the candle right there. And then it depends on your target profit. What is your target profit? The risk to reward ratio. If you want 1 to 2, for every dollar you risk, you want to make $2, right? Not all the time. It depends. Some of them we just go 1 to 1. Some of them we go 1 to 5, 1 to 1.5. Okay. So let's say this one is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So you just stretch it all the way to where you want to go. Okay. All right, guys. Now the time frames here are also, they matter a lot. I'm going to have a video. The next training I'm going to show you, I'm going to be showing my student how to master these time frames. Okay. So for example, if I go for the 15-minute time frame, you can see it looks different, right? That's the lower time frame. There is even a 5-minute time frame. Okay. For some of you who want to be scalpers, you know, in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay. Now, my student wants to be a swing trader. So we're going to be looking for the longer time frame, like 4 hours. Okay. So the 4-hour time frame will give you about 6 to 8 days kind of analysis. Okay. 6 to 8 days, guys. Okay. So these are not, you can hold the trade for up to 6 days with a 4-hour time frame. Okay. If you do the 1 day, this can give you up to a week, a month, up to 20 days kind of data. Okay, you can see this is going back all the way from July to October. Okay, this is like 3 months data. You can see that 3 months data right here. So right now you can see it's showing it's a downward trend. So if I took a trade today, I could go away for a month just waiting for it to hit my take profit. If I'm doing my trades on the daily chart, if I'm doing it on an hourly chart, that will give me about 24 to 48 hours. Okay. So like, yeah, 28 to 48 hours. So I can take a trade here and go away for 2 days before I can expect it to hit my take profit. So the time frames are key, depending on what type of a trader you want to be. If you want to be a scalper in and out, you could be dealing with 5 minutes. 5 minutes will probably give you up to an hour. Okay, so 4 times. You skip 1, 2, here, 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, you can have 45 minutes to an hour, and you can see the different things are happening. Like now, this is a 45. Let me go back to the 5 minutes, guys. So I'm giving you a lesson that is meant for the next class, which is tomorrow. So guys, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, and also share this, because we want to reach as many people as possible so we can start teaching people how to make money online. Brothers and sisters, learn how to make bread for their families. Okay, so guys, you can see right now where we are at. We are at 1,268 as we speak. Okay, so we could actually close this trade and grow our account by over $1,000 in one day. Okay, this is not even a full day. We just started this trade this morning. So, I mean, that's like a couple hours, 2-3 hours since the market opened, 2 hours since the market is open. Okay, so literally Martha could close this trade right now and go home, and she's made the goal for the day, over $1,000 in one day. Okay, so if you take 5, 6, 7 trades in a month, you're already making thousands of dollars a month. Okay, you're already at 6. That's why I'm saying Martha is already running at the 6-figure run rate right now. Our goal is to get her to the $1 million mark per year, and we are looking for 1,000 people to do that. Okay, you could be one of them if you're a serious individual. Okay, so we have our information below. Okay, our contact email is down there. Go ahead and send an email, and on the subject line of the email, just say one-on-one coaching. Okay, it costs money, so we only take very serious individuals, and we get a lot of emails, guys, so be patient. If we don't reply right away, somebody's going to reply and get in touch with you and get you started if you are serious and if we are a match. Okay, we don't like tire kickers. We don't like wasting our time because you'll waste my time and I'll waste your time, and that's not good. Okay, time is money. That's what they say, because I could be helping somebody else who deserves my time. Okay, so only if you're serious about it. Okay, and it's gonna cost money on one-on-one. But if you wanna learn some basic strategies, if you wanna learn, be in a community, you can join the Smart Wolf Club community, and you can start learning some of these strategies that we are teaching here. Okay, all these trainings are available in our Smart Wolf Club community. Okay, guys, so go ahead and take some action, guys. You can join we started a new Telegram group. Okay, go ahead and join, ask your questions. Okay, we also started, some people don't like Telegram, so we have a WhatsApp group. Some people don't like WhatsApp group. You can join Telegram. We have a Facebook group. Once you join the Smart Wolf Club community, you'll be invited to our private Facebook group where we share some of these private trainings with our members. And if you don't like Facebook groups, we have Instagram. Go ahead and watch some of those short clips that we have on our Instagram channel. Okay, guys, so there you go. We have lots of information for you to digest, and that can help you with your online money-making strategies. We don't just talk about trading. We talk about generally your dreams, your goals, and execution, how to achieve your dreams. You want to have that dream wedding. We show you how you can actually plan and put the goals and the plans in place, because most people lack that. Okay, some people can have the dreams, they can do the goals, but they cannot have the execution. They don't understand how to harmonize the whole activity, how to get these goals and dreams realized. Okay, so most people just die with their dreams. Okay, we take the dreams to the graveyard, and that's what they say. The graveyard is probably the richest place on earth, with all the dreams and ideas. Good ideas get taken 6 feet under because people are not able to execute their dreams, to achieve their dreams. So guys, go ahead, join the community. Okay, let's get social. And of course, if you like, you can comment below this video, ask your questions, and we go in there periodically and answer those questions. Okay, we are busy individuals, so if your comment is not replied to in 1 minute, we are going to reply, because we try to reply to our comments ourselves. I try to reply to my comments myself instead of using my VA, virtual assistants, or my assistants to do it. I like to answer those questions myself, so I don't delegate those, and that's why sometimes it may take time, because we are very busy individuals. Guys, you can see this is growing to 1,289, 1,300 there, and it's a very simple setup, guys. So basically, I've just told you what it is. Just download those 2 indicators. Okay, you can see the indicators we are using is this one here, Super Bollinger Trend Expo, and I can tell you it's this one here by Super Bollinger Trend Expo, this one right here. Okay, that is it. Okay, that's it. And then the other one is this one here. You can see this one here, the smooth Heikenashi. Okay, it's this smooth Heikenashi by the backtest group. Okay, it has about 675 favorites. Now the idea is that the smooth Heikenashi is wonderful, guys. It's not just the regular Heikenashi candles. Now, if you don't know what types of candles are, go ahead and just do a simple YouTube search, and you will see there are many types of candles. There's what we call regular candles, which are these ones you're seeing here, the green and red. And then there are these ones that look a little weird. Now, these are the Heikenashi candles. Now, the Heikenashi candles are usually smooth. Basically, what, as the word suggests, what they do is they just take an average of the trend. So they show you the trend, okay? So they're not really reflecting exactly what's going on in the market. You can see here, for example, there was a green candle, red, 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 green, but you can see the Heikenashi, they're all green, green, green. So they're showing you here is an upward trend, and you can see that's in agreement with our Super Bollinger trend. So if we get this signal right here, this is a 5-minute chart at the moment. So if I was a scalper, then I would take a trade based on this. You can see right now here, this says green, and you can see as soon as the Heikenashi starts going green, okay, we had this, it was a downward trend, then it traces up here, and then it goes above, okay? So then it goes up, and then the first retracement here, you can see the candle is red. So on the close of this candle, we could enter here, okay? We could enter for a long here. Guys, you could see if we entered a long here, right there, and then we go to 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, okay? I would do that, 1 to 2. Right there, somewhere there, 1 to 2, would have hit our take profit right there, okay? So this would have been a winning trade. And then, of course, our stop loss is down here at the previous swing low, guys. You can see that's the previous swing low right here. And then our take profit is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Guys, we would be in the money, okay? So let's see, that's done. Let me show you another trade that we could have taken here with a short position right here. You can see we were all going up, and then all of a sudden we got a signal here showing that it's going down, okay? So we would wait for that to go down, and then as this one closes right here, you can see that, guys, you can see that it closes right there. So we would enter here, and we are going to take this to 1 to 2. So this is a trade we can take right now, okay? Because this is still live, we can take this, and promise you we would be in the money before the end of the day, okay? Guys, you can see that. That's a trade we could take right now, okay? That's a trade we could take right now. That's a trade we can take right now. So guys, we can actually sell right now. So we'll go sell. We're taking a short trade, and this is our target right here. You can see the green 179.820. So you just come here and put 179.820, and our stop loss would be right here. No, we want market, guys. Okay. Sorry, so you want market, not limit. We want the market. We want to enter right now. Limit means we want to enter in the future. No, we want to enter right now. So guys, if you don't know the type of trades to take, you can also do a simple Google search or watch some of our previous videos where we've talked about market, trade, limit, stop, trades, all those. Go and check the different types of trades you can take. All right, so this goes. Don't be lazy, guys. That's the problem with some of you guys. You want to succeed online, but you want to be extremely lazy. You want somebody to give you everything. I don't. You ask my students. I'm going to make you do some work, okay? So that way you can have some skin in the game, okay? If I give you everything, you just become lazy, okay? And you'll never succeed. So I like you guys to participate. Go do some work. So when we meet in our next class, you're one step ahead. So I've told you guys, first, open a TradingView account, okay? If you don't have one. If you're watching on YouTube and you don't know what I'm talking about, the link is in the description. Go open a TradingView account. Click on that link. Some people are like, oh, I'm scared of clicking links. Or there could be viruses. No, sir. This link is in my description, okay? This is my official description. Not the links on the comments. The link in the description. That is my link. That's official link. It will take you to TradingView. Open your account, okay? You just need your name and your email address. Give them the proper email because they'll send you a link where you have to verify your email. Okay, so if you give them a fake one, you'll not receive the email from TradingView, and you're not going to be able to verify your account. So once you have the account, which is free, okay, now if you want to use some of their pro features, like if you want to use more indicators, more signals, then you have to subscribe to the pro account, which is like a cup of coffee. Most people can afford that. Just skip one coffee in a month, you are able to pay for your monthly subscription. Okay, guys? So we are taking this trade, guys, and I'm just showing you what I did. This is how we take these trades. And when we take this trade, it will be automatically copied on Martha's accounts, okay? Martha's accounts is going to copy the trade automatically, okay, guys? So that's why we're saying this setup is very simple. So then I'm going to take the trade, and I think I should be entered in the trade right now. Yeah, so we've taken that trade, guys. So we are in the trade now. Let me see how many other positions we have. Yeah, you can see it's right there. We are in the trade. We are already in the trade. You can see we are in the trade. Okay. It's this trade right here. So very, very simple. Okay. So just give it some time, and I'll show you the results tomorrow in our next training. So guys, go ahead and set this up for yourself. And if you have any questions, leave comments below. Like this video, share, and follow us on all our social media platforms. First of all, subscribe to the channel. We want to get this channel to at least 5,000, guys. I know we can do it. There's a lot of you on here live, and most of you are not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe to our Smart Wolf Club channel. And for those of you who are watching on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe and invite, at least share this with at least 5 people that you care about, because we want to get to 5,000. We have about 1,000 subscribers. So if each one of you sends this to 5 people and subscribe them, take their phones and subscribe them, we will get to the 5,000 mark. Once we are at the 5,000 mark, it's very easy for us to find the 1,000 people that we need. We want to help to get to the $1 million mark a year. Okay, we can do that with your support. Okay, guys. So go ahead, guys. Subscribe, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and peace. Before I leave, let me say a word of prayer. In the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray that some of you who are going to follow this training shall become successful. In the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. So guys, have a nice day. Good night. Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.